Everyone, and welcome back. In this 2026 guide, I'll show you exactly how to download videos from Google Flow quickly and easily. Whether you've created an AI video for personal, educational, or professional use, downloading it correctly ensures you can share it, edit it further, or upload it to other platforms. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Flow website. Sign in using the Google account you used to create your projects. After logging in, you'll see your dashboard with all of your existing Flow projects. Next, open the project that contains the video you want to download. Wait for the project and video preview to load completely. If your video is still generating, you'll need to wait until the generation process reaches 100% before the download option becomes available. Once the video is ready, look for the download button or the export menu, usually located near the video preview or in the top right corner of the project page. Click it to view the available download options. Depending on your account and the current Google Flow features, you may be able to choose the video quality or file format before downloading. After selecting your preferred options, click Download. Your browser will begin downloading the video automatically. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder to find the saved video. You can now play it, move it to another folder, upload it to social media, or use it in your editing software. If you don't see the download button, make sure the video has finished generating, refresh the page, or verify that you're signed into the correct Google account. Also, keep your browser updated for the best experience, and that's how to download videos from Google Flow in 2026. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Google Flow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.